Hola, a video on comparatives. Comparatives are the way we say more and less. More than in Portuguese is expressed by mais, and then an adjective or describing word, and que or do que. Just an example. Esta camisa é mais cara que este casaco. The structure is the same as in English. So this shirt is more expensive than this jacket or this coat. Yeah. So mais, in this case we have caro, mais expensive, more expensive, que. More, something, than. Mais, adjective, que. And then to say less than, we say we use menos. Then again, the describing word, and then que or do que. An example could be este vestido é menos caro que esta camisola. This dress is less expensive than this shirt. Or this t-shirt, sorry. So, mais que, more than, menos que, less than. Like in English, we have some comparatives which are irregular. Better than is melhor que. Worse than is pior que. Bigger than is maior que. And smaller than is menor que. Just a few examples. Este restaurante é melhor que o outro. This restaurant is better than the other one. Or an example with maior, bigger. Quero experimentar esta saia, é pouco maior que a outra. So, melhor, better, pior, worse, maior, bigger, menor, smaller. But the structure of the comparative is normally mais que, for more than, and menos que, less than.